Now remember, we're not allowed to hide in the construction site, okay? It's too dangerous. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah!
8, 9, 10. Ready or not, here I come.
Here, fiddlesticks.
Yeah. Gotcha, George.
Now where is TRACKODILE?
Huh? Hi, Bob.
Hi, Johnny. I just saw TRACKODILE drive into the construction site, and now I can't find him. I'm afraid he gets hurt.
We told him not to go hide there. Don't worry, Bob. We're on our way.
Hi, guys. Thanks for coming.
Don't worry, Bob. Let's find him.
Whoa. Ooh, TRACKODILE, are you here?
Where can he be? I think we need a higher point of view. Let's call G-Crane for help. Hey, G-Crane, can you help us find TRACKODILE?
Watch out! Fresh cement! Oh, look, he's here!
Oh no! He got stuck in wet cement! Hey, buddy! Try to come to me! Good idea, G-Crane.
Oh no, he can't open his mouth wide enough. What if we make a bridge?
Yeah! Yes. Can you help us make a bridge to get closer to him?
Okay. Perfect. Let's use these rocks, Reelephant.
Nice work.
Thanks, Reelephant.
Don't worry, buddy. We got this. Okay, G-Crane. Pull! Whoa! Huh? It dried. The floor's hard now. I know what to do. Hey, big guy. We need your super strength.
next time. 8, 9, 10. Aha!
Boo!
Wow!
It's your time to count, TRACKODILE. Another great day with the AnimaCars.